magandang umaga, gabi, hapon, kailan mo pinapanood ng episode na to? Mapa-listener ka man, watcher ka man, ay sa kasama minamahal na Black Knights.
Good day, Black Knights. I am Claire Ashley Amdumaplin from Yums 11 Regan, and I am your female podcast host.
Good day, Black Knights. My name is Robert Martin Villa Carlos from Masala Shakespeare, and I am your male podcast host.
And welcome back to another episode of MMC,
Or the Mindful Media Conversations. Hello everyone, it is currently the holiday season. It is also the
Yes.
season of giving. And syempre, first and foremost, happy holidays po sa inyong lahat. And syempre, happy holidays din sa partner ko. Happy holidays, Claire.
Happy holiday din
And
sa'yo,
of
Robbie.
course, sa ating mga fellow viewers dyan, sa ating mga Black Knights, at sa ating mga listeners, happy holidays and Merry Christmas as well. At syempre, no, it is currently December 23 of 2025 and it's nearing the end of year, ano? And also, sa mga handaan nyo tomorrow, at lalo na't malapit na ang ating Noche Buena, syempre naman ang Noche Buena na yan, please enjoy and spend much enough needed time with your families and the quality time needed. At because of naman, syempre, it is currently nearing our Christmas break.
Yes. So, Robbie, anong handa niyo ba tomorrow?
Well, hindi ko pa sure since sila ma'am na yung bahala sa pag-aanda ng food. But although, sure naman ako natutulong ako sa aking parents na magluto because it is also my passion sa pagluluto. And besides that, siguro I'm gonna ask you, Claire, ikaw, ano yung mga handaan nyo tomorrow? Since holidays na no?
Well, actually, kami tomorrow, siguro, not really bonggang-bonggang handa. Kasi my parents talaga is naghahanda talaga sila tuwing New Year, hindi Christmas.
Yes.
So, ayun, siguro tomorrow, hindi ko alam, pero sana may maha.
Well, I hope na masarap yung maluluto yung pagkain
Yes.
tomorrow. And syempre, sa amin din, na makatulong ako sa pagluluto ng parents ko and such as that. But first and foremost, kamustahin natin ang mga Black Knights natin. It's been a while since we recorded the last episode, since yung last episode natin was about glamping, right? It was
Yes.
about glamping, So, how are you, Claire? How has been the past few days? Alam na't alam kong busy ka na since it's been the second semester para sa ating lahat. How are you?
Ayun, I'm fine naman since ayun nga kakatapos lang ng klase and masasabi ko namang nakapagpahinga rin naman ako konti kahit may inaasikaso kaming PR, pero ayun, it's going well.
Very good to
How
hear.
about you, Robbie? Kamusta yung Christmas break mo?
Well, for me, it is very nice. I've been spending a lot of time with my family as well. Lalo na yung ate ko, uwi na siya someday around tomorrow probably or maybe the day pagka-uwi ko. Kasi my sister is currently at college and syempre kapag college ka, mahirap talagang umuwi.
Oo nga,
And
totoo.
kapag nakaka-uwi ka lang tuwing holidays or kapag may days off or like kapag libre ka umuwi, pwede kang umuwi. So yeah, besides that, yun lang naman and yun, may PR din kami and wala naman siguro, it's been fine. Wala akong masabi masyado kasi syempre it's the same old thing, paulit-ulit lang naman araw-araw.
Totoo, I mean, di ba?
Yes.
Pero, ayun, sana naman nag-look forward ako sa gala ngayon. How about you?
Well,
Wala pa kasing baka naman, ayaw na akong gumala.
well, wala naman kasi. Ako kasi tuwing holidays, especially when Christmas, we don't really have any galas with my friends. Lalo na yung most of my time is being spent with my family. And not that I'm parang nadidismaya na wala akong time spent with my friends, but at the same time kasi I'd rather prefer na kasama ko yung family ko.
Totoo.
Lalo na kapag holiday season kasi it is where it matters most, hindi ba? Yun lang yung mga times where nagkakasama talaga kayo ng buong pamilya nyo and you have the time to spend with each other.
True.
So Claire, saan mo i-spend yung holidays mo or how are you going to spend the Christmas break that you are or holiday break that you currently have right now?
Actually, sa bahay lang naman ako. Usual, di ba? Taong bahay things. Ayun, siguro ang way ng pagsuspend ko ngayon is magbe-binge watch ng anime. As usual.
Relate.
Madami kasing magpo-posting since December, di ba?
Yes, very true.
Ayun, mag-aabang din ng mga manga hanggang sa mag January 5, tapos defense na, ganyan.
Very nice, very
So,
nice.
Pero, maybe naman may something interesting. Naghihintay pa nga ako ng plot twist Wala pang plot twist na dumadating sa kanya yung 2025. Baka naman.
Baka this month na talaga.
Oo,
Baka
di ba?
this month na talaga.
Malay mo, bukas may plot twist.
Malay mo,
Di ko nga alam kung
hindi
anong
natin
plot
alam.
twist
Lalo
yung
na
type.
bukas yan na yung mga handaan talaga.
Di ba? Oh my God. Tapos, parang babatuhin ko yung bahay niya ng pop-up. How about you, Robbie? Paano mo ba suspend talaga yung Christmas mo other than being with your family?
Well, other than being with my family, I think I just rather spend some time with myself, di ba? Kasi it is one of the only days of the year, lalo na't kapag walang pasok. Except for weekends, you know?
Yes.
Except for weekends and except for the times na wala tayong pasok. Holidays is where you really get in touch with your inner self. Although maingay, although there's a lot of noise, maraming kumakanta, maraming karaoke, and stuff like that, it is where you take a step back from the outside world and you think about yourself for a while.
Yes.
Lalo na most of the times we just are so stressed, lalo na about school.
Oo,
And
super.
regarding na yan, kasama na dyan na we are currently at our senior high school stage. It is one of the times of the year and the many months, no, with the very little months that we have na we get to take a rest and take a step back to think about ourselves. So, I think for me, sa Christmas break ko ngayon or sa holiday break ko ngayon, I'd like to take a step back and alam mo yun, parang move away from the stress, move away from the problems.
Yes.
And syempre, we have to appreciate what we have done and let's look back amongst the whole year na hindi natin makakalimutan kung saan tayo nanggaling.
Tama.
Hindi natin makakalimutan kung ano yung mga pinaghirapan natin, mga dinanas natin, and everything we've done to be the person we are currently today. So I think that's what I'll do. I will reflect with myself. I want to learn how much I have done this year and how good I was to myself para ma-appreciate talaga natin and ma-accept natin ang ating Christmas period. And yeah, so with that, syempre gusto ko rin kamustahin ang ating mga Black Knights.
Yun,
Kamusta ang iyong
sasabihin ko
hagdan?
dapat yun, inagaw mo sa akin. So,
Masyado tayo siguro seryoso. Ano nga tayo, Christmas special, tapos masyado tayo seryoso. So, syempre,
Sorry.
kamusta kayo Black Knights? Kamusta kayo everybody? How is your holiday season?
Yes.
How is currently, or paano nyo isi-spend yung Noche Buena nyo? Paano nyo isi-spend yung time nyo with your family? And how are you gonna, maghanda bukas? And syempre naman, malapit na ang ating celebration ng Christmas.
ayan, sa mga Black Knights namin dyan, sana naman na-enjoy nyo po ang mga pasabog ng Nias bago po tayo nag-end ng school year.
Very true. Lalo na't palapit na ang ating 2026, no?
Yes.
It has been such an eventful year, no? So many things has happened. And besides that, it's been a very fun year as well. Lalo na
Fun ba?
Oo, syempre naman.
Sige.
I have been so glad na, again, I've talked about this last episode. I am
Yeah.
so glad na we are given this opportunity
Sa bagay.
to be able to present
yes,
our
it's fun.
school and be the faces of Mia's Network, lalo na Mindful Media Conversations. And it is an honor, it is a pleasure for us to be making this episode, no? And I am super glad.
By the way, Rob, I have a question. Pero medyo, lang siyang question out of the topic. Do you agree the 500 pesos Noche Buena thing?
Well, I wouldn't dwindle upon it too much because I think it is very controversial to talk about. But I think naman everybody, majority, really doesn't agree with that kind of budget to spend on Noche Buena. Lalo na ang Noche Buena is a very eventful thing sa buong year natin.
Yes.
Lalo na't napaka-importante
Once a year
nito.
ka
Once a
lang
year lang
magno-Noche
magno-Noche
Buena.
Buena and mag-i-spend ka ng 500 pesos, I don't think so. And I disagree with that kind of thing kasi sa tingin ko, sa mga hagdaanan pa lang, lalo na kapag malaki yung pamilya mo, 500 pesos is not enough.
I think, for me nga parang yung 500 pesos is for one person lang.
Yes,
Kasi ang
exactly.
mahal ng bilihin ngayon, sa inumin pa lang ubos na ang 5 pesos mo.
Yes,
Ay,
sa soft drinks pa lang
pesos,
no, 500 pesos. So yeah, I don't wanna dwell on too much because it is very controversial.
Yeah.
And some sides may agree, but majority that I've heard from the social media and most of the time is that they do not agree. And I am one of those people as well. But I do not want to dwindle on it too much because I feel like that would be too controversial na yung ating topic is about Christmas. Okay?
Yes.
So let's keep it festive. Let's keep it fun. And of course, again, I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, watchers, Black Knights, and our listeners for always keeping in tune with us in the Mia's Network or our episode as well, or our podcast, which is called the MMC or the Mindful Media Conversations. And for the final regards, of course, I want to just face to face tayo. Ako muna. Okay. Of course, my dear Shakespeare and my dear Section 11 London. I am very proud of you, everybody, and thank you so much for this eventful year. Thank you so much for the love and for the ups and downs that we have experienced. Although we have experienced a lot of downs, maraming sigawan, maraming bangayan, maraming syempre, mga times na hindi tayo nag-agree. But at the end of the day, you are my dream section. You guys are my love. And everybody over there, please have a great time for your Christmas, sa holidays nyo. Whatever religion you are, whatever you support, we love you. And I love you as well. You, my dear Shakespeare, please take care as always. My heart goes to everybody that watches here, especially sa aking mga ka-section. Thank you so much for being by my side and for always supporting me to the things I do. Sa aking mga friends, sa aking family, everybody over there, sa aking mga watchers, at sa aking mga, syempre mga friends over there. Thank you so much for being such great people for this year, lalo na we keep it festive. It is currently Christmas, and I just want to say thank you to everybody. And thank you so much for this eventful year. Yun lang naman. And Claire, do you have anything to say?
Napakapasabog naman nun, Robbie. Grabe. Sabi short message lang. Sabi short message lang. Para sige, pagbigyan since it's Christmas. Ayan, may sabihin ba ako? Siyempre meron. Mapapatalo ba ako?
Face to face din kayo. Face to face din kayo. Face to face. Face to face.
Ako naman. So, ayun, I just wanted to thank everyone. Lalo na sa mga taong nagstay sa buhay ko until now. Diba? So, and of course, dun sa mga naiwan ko along the way, still thank you so much kasi you gave me a lesson na hanggang ngayon or siguro habang buhay ko siyang dadalhin.
Very nice.
And of course naman, section ko. Sa section ko,
Regan.
Regan, as your president, I'm really proud of everyone. Sobrang proud ako sa inyo guys kasi kahit na madami tayong arguments, hindi nga arguments kasi napaka-silent talaga natin when it comes to
Kulitan
arguments.
lang no?
Oo, alam mo yun parang kunwari wala kaming argument, parang may argument pala talaga kami. So, I'm really thankful guys. Thank you kasi kahit na napakakulit nyo, lalo na sa mga lalaki namin dyan, ha? Binibigyan nyo pa rin ako ng way para ma-handle kayo. Ba, sa mga times na super naiinis na ako sa inyo. At the same time, bumabawi pa rin naman kayo. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you all. Lalo na sa mga bagay-bagay na na-achieve natin. Dun sa way kung paano tayo makisama sa isa't isa. Kahit sometimes talaga is ang dami talaga nating hindi pagkakaunawaan. I'm so thankful kasi napaka-professional nyo guys. Ba, kahit sabihin nila na napakakulit nyo, but you knew your goals in life. Alam nyo kung saan kayo magkukulit at alam nyo kung nasan kayo magiging professional. And doon pa lang, proud na ako sa inyo kasi alam nyo talaga kung paano tignan yung goal nyo. And syempre naman, di ba, kakalimutan ko ba yung advisor ko? Sir Gohil! Thank you so much! Kahit, alam mo namang, nagtatapok sir ngayon. Pero thank you so much, Sir Jo. Ba, as your first year of being an advisor, it was really great. Okay, thank you so much po. May part din talaga na napakakulit nila, and may part din talaga na mas nakikinig sila sa akin. Pero, ayun, you're doing your best po. And hopefully, sana, sa mga susunod mo pang section, kami pa rin yung number 1 mo. Yes, wag mo kami kakalimutan kasi kami yung first section mo and dapat kami lang lagi.
Wow.
Ayun, so thank you again. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Well, that was a very nice message.
Yes, ako pa.
Well, I'd like to lay out my final regards. Since tinanong mo din yung advisor mo actually, I wanna thank my former advisor as well. Ma'am Renta, if you're watching this, thank you so much for syempre putting up with us when I was at grade 11. And syempre we were very magulo na students, hindi ba? But besides that, syempre thank you din sa aking current advisor, which is Ma'am Pinyel. You are an amazing advisor. Thank you so much. And it was a pleasure being your student, syempre as your first year na dalawa pa yung advisory mo. And I have been blessed to be one of your advisories, and it is my honor to be your student. And of course, wag nating kakalimutan everybody, let's thank Metropolitan Institute of Arts and
Yes,
Sciences. Syempre,
syempre
thank you Ma'am
naman.
Collado, thank you to everybody that runs MIAS. Because without you, without everybody, we wouldn't be able to be even doing this podcast episode at the first place.
Oo.
And syempre, thank you din sa ating mga teachers, every single teacher sa ating MIAS. Thank you so much. Yes,
ng
every staff ng
MIAS.
MIAS, everybody that works in MIAS.
Thank
You
you
guys
so
are
much,
amazing.
guys.
Thank you so much for helping keep this institution afloat and helping us along the way for everything. I know na medyo mahaba tong episode natin, but let's make an exemption, hindi ba? Lalo na ito
Oo,
ang ating
I mean,
Christmas
it's
episode.
Christmas special.
Yes.
It's supposed to be thanking everybody.
Yes.
So, dapat talaga mahaba to.
It is the season of giving, and it is my honor to give thanks to everybody. Syempre sa mga importanteng tao sa akin, at syempre sa mga taong naiwanan ko along the way, katulad ni Claire. You guys
Yes.
are a very important lesson in my life, and without you, there wouldn't be a me today. And as always, I just want to say that you have to live your life with purpose. Always find your purpose.
By the way, hindi ba magkakaroon ng short messages ang mga staff natin? Yes, guys.
Ayan na.
On Black Nights, ito na yung chance nyo para makilala yung mga staff namin. Since it's Christmas special, pagbibigyan natin sila.
Okay.
So, sino ba una natin tatawagin
Sino
sa
wala
kanila?
staff natin? Gusto kong tawagin natin yung ano...
Head
yung-
tech?
Hindi, yung ano na lang. Yung sound director natin.
Ayun. Sige. Huli natin yung head tech.
Huli natin yung head tech.
Surprise kasi yun siya, guys.
Of course, I want to introduce to you guys our head sa sound. Syempre, it is Zach Rodriguez Abaya. If you have a message, lay out for us, please.
So ayun, thank you for this opportunity na makapagsalita dito sa...
Tapos ba yung mic? Hindi ka maririnig dyan.
Maraming salamat sa opportunity na makapagsalita dito sa natin, sa network. And kung may message man ako is yung pagpapasalamat din sa Mias, and syempre sa mga ka-coworker ko dito sa loob ng network. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung effort natin lahat. And ayun, thank you sa lahat. Yun lang po. Thank you.
And syempre,
Next!
isa pa next natin ang
Who?
ating
Sino naman?
pinakabagong members sa ating Nias Network, syempre, Sir Ralph Victoriano.
Yan.
Grabe nga naman to ha. Hello guys, sinisipon pa ako no. So it's really an opportunity. Ito na. Bababa na.
Hindi ka kita sa...
It is really an opportunity to talk here in the podcast. So kung meron man ako sasabihin, siguro salamat kay Claire, kay Robbie sa pagbibigay sa amin ng opportunity na magsalita as staffs, and salamat din sa lahat ng nandito, sa president ng network, and sa lahat ng mga nagpapasok sa akin dito. Salamat, and yun lang.
And syempre, next ang ating head tech.
Dapat huli yan.
Oh, hindi, yung magiging head tech natin.
Huli mo na. Huli.
Sige,
oh.
fine. Syempre, ang ating clapper, si Christian Millan.
Yan. Halika na dito, Christian.
Let's go!
The mic is yours.
Damay si Milya na naman.
Anong message natin
Hindi
para
ko
sa
nga alam
mga
ba't ako
viewers?
nandito eh. Ano bang pwede ko maging message? Kung may magiging message man ako is, namamas ko po, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ingat po kayo,
Very
thank you. God.
nice, very nice.
Sabi
At
ayusin.
next naman,
Pero,
ang ating cameraman, si Adrian.
What's up, Dabarkad? So for this experience, no, I'm glad to be part of. I'm glad to be part of this network. At kung may sasabihin lang ako, I love you sa isang sa kabilang section.
And last
Okay,
but not,
nag-call out
last
pa
but
siya.
not the least, unfortunately kasi we're currently short on sa ating mga
Yes.
members because our former, not our former, but our other members are currently busy right now. Syempre, lalo na't holidays ngayon, hindi lahat nakapunta. But thankfully, nakapunta naman ang ating head tech, which
Ating
is si
future head
Kobe.
tech.
Hello, my name is Kobe Jenner Vallejo. Thank you for thank you for pagiging part dito sa Mias Network. Thank you rin sa Mias and sa Mias Network staff. Salamat.
Ano ba?
Mias Back Nights. Tandaan nyo, importante, mahalaga.
ayun.
At syempre naman,
Hindi
pa
magpapahuli.
nagpapahuli ang ating mga seniors.
Call out po ang ating male anchor, Richard. Come
Mail
here.
niyo sa Anchor, Richard Briza. Special message lang sa ating
Short
mga Black
message.
Knights. Lalo na ito na ang isa sa mga last episodes natin this year.
Yes.
It's very important, you know.
So, what's up, Black Knights? I am your male news anchor. My name is John Richard P. Brisa. So, kamusta sa inyo? So, stay tuned on Mias Network.
Exactly.
And see you again on my next episodes.
See ya. Bye. Thank you.
Ang tipid naman, nakala ko maglo-long message siya dyan.
May gusto pa bang mag-message sa
ayun,
atin?
Meron pa ba?
Meron pa ba? Sayang naman kung hindi siya mag-message.
Oo.
Ano kasi, last na nga eh. Kulang-kulang nga tayo. Wala yung director natin.
Kaya
Sayang
nga eh,
naman.
wala nga. Oo nga, yung pati yung project manager namin, wala rin.
Baka naman, yung isang isang member dyan, lumapit na dito sa recording natin
Yung
ngayon.
current head tech po, baka
pababa
naman.
na yung ano natin, no? Para matapos na yung ating recording today.
Yes.
Siyempre, ang pinakamamahal naming current head tech, siyempre sa ating Micaela
Yeah.
Kay Mendoza.
Siyempre naman hindi siya magpapahuli.
Let's go!
Merry Christmas lang.
Okay.
Shy type po yung current head tech namin, kaya ganun.
Okay.
So,
as we conclude this episode, this has been a fun journey throughout this whole year. Thank you for the episodes. And thank you
Yes.
for everything that we've experienced currently at Mia's Network. Will always be proud of everybody and of course of you, Claire, as well, for being my
you.
podcast partner. And syempre, di ko makakalimutan, Ate Rich, my former podcast partner. Thank you so much for guiding me and for being my mentor last year. And I really, really miss you so much. And although meron akong bagong partner ngayon, you both are amazing and she is also amazing at her work. Thank you so much for guiding me and for boosting my confidence and making me into a better podcast host. And syempre, di ko kakalimutan ang former project manager ng Mia's Network, which is si Ate Fio. Thank you, Ate Fio, for being such an amazing project manager. We love you so much. Kami nila Lay, kami nila Richard, kami nila Ella, lahat ng former members na nakasanayan mo ng Mia's Network. We thank you so much because you are an amazing project manager. Sa lahat ng papeles na pinirmahan mo, sa lahat ng request na pinirmahan mo, lahat ng request mo, lahat ng ginawa mo para sa amin, we appreciate you because without you, this studio would not be a thing. Without you, Mindful Media Conversations would not be a thing. Thank you so much. And syempre sa ating mga missing project managers ngayon, kay Cha at kay Lay, although
Ate
wala
Lay,
kaya ngayon,
I miss you
it is
so
saddening
much.
na hindi tayo makakapag-celebrate ng syempre ang isa sa mga final episodes ng Mindful Media Conversation. It is reaching its end. Thank you so much for being both amazing project managers. And although we had our ups and downs, it is an honor to record this one of the final episodes of our podcast.
yes, for this year.
For this year.
For this year.
Season 2 no? Season 2 na
tama.
Mindful Media Conversations. And with that, as always, my name is Robert Martin Evilla Carlos.
And I am Claire Ashley Amdumaplin.
And as always,
Stay mindful in the media. We're having conversations. Bye-bye!